Good morning. My name is Jason Parks, and I'm going to talk about Chapter 7. We discussed this in Week 4. Chapter 7, the Laws, Investigations, and Ethics. The question is, how do we recognize ethical issues related to information security? And not just recognizing them, but being proactive in recognizing them. Even though we have many rules and regulations in place for ethical behavior, when it comes to working with sensitive data and systems, the 21st century has left us plagued to be succumb to the outcome of attacks because they have become harder to discover, and monitoring and tracking mechanisms are lacking when it comes to finding out where these attacks come from. And we know that there are 5 different areas of attacks: military and intelligence attacks, business attacks, financial attacks, terrorist attacks, grudge attacks, and thrill attacks. And I think that if we really want to be more specific in stopping these attacks, we put most of our efforts into social engineering. For me, what I got out of it, even though we have a lot of rules and regulations in place, we need to focus more so on the social engineering aspect, because I believe social engineering is the catalyst for garnering information, and the attacks of systems are those who infiltrate the system and are on the inside. So if we have a better system of social engineering here, for any company or for just us being ISP specialists, we will be able to circumvent a lot of cyber attacks. Definitely knowing the Eric Snowden case in 2013, where it was said that he had leaked some government information, and between 50,000 to 500,000 pieces, or 50,000 to 200,000 pieces of documents. So the question is, how do we prevent such incidents as the Eric Snowden case from happening just within our areas where we work at as being ISP professionals? Okay, and what are some of the things that, from our reading of chapter 7, could have helped? What could have been done to have prevented such an event in Mr. Eric Snowden's case?